Welcome to an exciting and eye-opening exploration into the world of cyber threats. In today's digital age, we are vulnerable to cyber attacks from a variety of sources. So let's take a closer look at some of the most common threat actors out there and what makes them so dangerous. First, let's talk about advanced persistent threats. Those are highly trained and funded groups of hackers that often have the backing of nation states. They have access to sophisticated tools and techniques and can use them to launch long-term targeted attacks. Next, we have script kiddies. Those are amateur hackers who rely on other people's tools and exploits to launch their attacks. They don't have the same level of sophistication as ADS, but they can still cause significant damage. Then there are hacktivists. Those are hackers motivated by political or social agendas. They can use their skills to launch cyber attacks in support of their cause, such as taking down government websites or leaking sensitive information. Finally, let's talk about organized crime. Those hackers are part of well-funded and sophisticated crime groups. They are motivated by money and can use their skills to launch cyber attacks for financial gain. So there you have it, a quick overview of the most common type of threat actors out there. Stay safe and stay informed. Thanks for watching.